This is day 199, and today we are looking at the trim function to remove extra spaces. So as an Excel user, one thing that is inevitable is that you are going to use data that comes from different systems or that comes from different data capturers. We have maybe less skills in terms of using Excel, and one or another you're going to have clean data, and as part of your job is going to be cleaning up that data. So for example, here what you are seeing here is this is my name written correctly. If someone have good skills to capture data in Excel, they would have captured it this way. But somehow, you give it to someone who doesn't possess the proper skills or the advanced skills to capture the data within Excel. Then somehow here, for example, they have 2 spaces or 3 spaces or more than 3 spaces, either in between my name and surname or after my surname or before my name. So it's just a complete disaster. So if you get someone to capture the data in an Excel workbook, and now you get this, instead of spending so much time trying to see where there are double spaces and hit backspace, for example, you need to get a better way of cleaning up that data. And also, if I was to use this data for VLOOKUP function, if I have the correct name and surname written here and I want to VLOOKUP to this list, I will not be able to find to find it, simply because someone have captured incorrectly the name and surname here and added an extra space, but the spelling and everything is correct. So to be able to clean that data into here, we can make use of the trim function, which I demonstrated on day 112. So if you didn't watch that one, please visit day 112 and watch that video. I will put the link in the description to this video as well, so that you can just easily access it. All right, now to use the trim function, let me just delete this. You would say equal to trim, and you drag it down. So you can see that I've cleaned it up. It only now have 1 space here, so there's only 1 space in between, and also it doesn't have this space which was before my name here. So that's why the trim function, it also removes extra spaces in between text. So it just doesn't remove the space before or after the text, but also within the text or in between text, it does remove that. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.